What's up, everybody? We are on our way to the gym. Another day in Richmond. So cold, it's not funny, but gonna get the workout, and hopefully FedEx, I think it's already delivered. I have a huge giveaway for you guys, but yeah, I need to get my Fed off. So we're only having one meal per day. Well, we just finished the workout. It was a short workout, but I feel good about myself. I hope the package is already at the door, but I think it will be. I'm very excited. You should be excited as well, because I'm doing a giveaway, and yeah, I can't wait. This is so heavy, and it's gonna be sweet. So I ordered 2 misery buckets from Adam's Polish. This product is, I believe it was $69 on the website, and they claim that it gets the products in each bucket. It's way more than 69. So we have 2 buckets right here. Of course, one of them is for the giveaway. I will talk about it later, but let's unbox this. Each product that we unboxed, I'm going to put them on top of the screen, either left or right, and then I'm gonna put the price, the retail price, and then so we can see how much the bucket worth. Yeah, I think that works. All right, let's jump straight into it. This box is too big, I can't put it on the table. But just so you know, it's right here. Looks like we have a handful of products in there. Well, let's see. First one, it's called Ultra Plush Drying Towel. As you can see right here, and they have the price right here is $34.99. Yep. Put that aside, and then we have Premium Microfiber Wash Sponge. $9.99. First bottle, Vinyl Rubber Trim VRT, of course. Gonna put it right here. Second bottle, Ultra Foam Shampoo. Third one, Detail Spray, of course. Gonna put that right here. Pumpkin Spice, oh, okay. Okay, this is a interior detailer. Really nice. Coating Prep. Undercarriage spray. I'm not sure about what this does, but we're gonna find out. Number 6, right here. Last bottle. Neutralizer. Okay. And we have some sprayers. You just spray it. So yeah, this is the misery bucket number 1. Let's jump into the next box.
A few moments later.
Bucket number 2. First item, gray plush towel. It did not say the price, but I'm gonna look it up and then put it on the corner. Second one, it's a borderless gray plush towel. Well, I guess it's the same. This is the second item. I guess it's the same with this one, but this one is just borderless, and it says $8.99. Third one is great white drying towel. I guess it's just a white towel for drying, and it says the price is $24.99. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's $24.99. Alright, bottles. First one, leather conditioner. This one I'm definitely gonna use for my Brom seats because they're dirty. Second bottle, waterless wash. Everybody loves it. I love it, especially we don't like to wash our car, especially in Richmond. It's just hell. Second, ultra foam shampoo, same thing. Wheel cleaner. Oh, it just hurt my hands. Oh. Fifth bottle, spray wax. Last one is a tire shine. I'm gonna put it where? I'm gonna put it here. Here. Okay. And then we have a Adams polish sticker. And sprayers. Sprayer. Yeah, so this is the 2 buckets that I ordered from Adams Polish. Two buckets. I think it worth probably around the same, but yeah, these 2 buckets are definitely different. This one have 3 kinds of towel. The other one have 2. Okay, so this is the unboxing for the 2 misery buckets that I ordered from Adams Polish. I hope this video can give you guys an idea of how they do these kind of misery buckets or misery boxes. I feel like it's pretty good. It definitely worth every penny that you spend. But yeah, this is it. Now let's talk about the giveaway. Okay, now let's talk about the giveaway. So I compared these 2 buckets, and then I kind of mix match, because I took out some of the stuff that I don't need and some of the stuff I need from the other box. So this box is the box that I came out and I decided I'm going to give this bucket. Well, now you might question, so what did you pull out of the buckets, and what did you put in the bucket? Let's see what we got in this box that I will be giving away for you guys. I'm gonna go through this very quick. Detail spray. This one, under coverage spray. Odor neutralizer. And 2 ultra foam shampoo, because I don't need them, because I don't have foam gum. I live in a small ass apartment. Coating prep. The white drying towel. Focus, please. Whatever. And the borderless gray plush towel. Of course, the sprayers in it. And your sticker. Yes, sir.
2 hours later.
Okay. To enter the giveaway is really easy. You have a few things to do. First, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Second, go follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put it right here, here. I'll put all the stuff in the description below. And once you follow me on Instagram, I will be posting a post about these buckets. Oh, there we go. And then comment down below. Once you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then go hop on Instagram, follow me here at T_S550. And I will be posting this giveaway soon on my Instagram. And what you need to do is go down to the comment section below and tag 3 of your friends. And after you do everything, after you did all the stuff that I just talked about, go back to YouTube and then comment down below on this video. Just comment done, DONE, and that's it. And in 1 week, 7 days, I will do the random stuff, the random pick on the computer, and then I'm gonna go live on Instagram so everybody can see it wherever you are, as long as you're on this earth. It don't matter which country you are. It don't matter. If give me an address, I will ship this over to you. That's simple as that.